Hey everybody, this is Scott from dvc-rental.com. Today we are at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. Hello. This is a one-bedroom preferred view, so this has been just refurbished. It is 714 square feet. Nice to have little coat racks there, it's helpful. Or mask racks if you need them. I really like what they've done here. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, this is a one bedroom. So you get a full kitchen, full regular size fridge, countertops, full stove, dishwasher, nice big television. This is what's nice. They have the pull down bed, the Murphy bed added, and underneath the 65-inch TV, there's now another pull-down bed. So this room now has full bedding for 5. Previously, you were allowed to have 5 in the room, but with only 2 beds, it really wasn't super convenient. I will open that up later because that's a little bit tougher to get to. Not that bad though. Let's check out the view for now. Nice sized balcony. A lot of the one bedrooms do have bigger balconies than this. But I would say from end to end, you're probably looking at 15, 17 feet, give or take. Again, little courtyard view. Got a pool over there. And this is in Congress Park, which again is the preferred area, which means that it is very short walking distance over to Disney Springs. I like some of the little stuff they've added. And then you got good old Mickey. And this is Saratoga Springs, so this is based off of Saratoga Springs in upstate New York, which is known for their horse racing. So there's a lot of horse theming around the resort in the room. In this closet, we do have the washer and dryer. And then you have the bathroom. One bedrooms in Saratoga Springs have one bathroom. Hello again. Private bathroom in here. Got a little bit smaller counters and stuff than some of the other one bedrooms, but definitely not bad at all. Dual shower heads, rainfall shower. And then attached off the bathroom is another part of the bathroom where you have a soak-in tub and a bigger vanity area and a large walk-in closet as well. So this is nice. You have somebody in the shower, possibly somebody using the vanity in there, plus you've got the shower, sorry, we should say the vanity in here so people can get ready in the meantime. Always your extra pillows and blankets. And here is the master bedroom, king-size bed. I love the artwork at the different Disney resorts because it's all specific to that resort. I'll scoot over here. So again, you have, looks like probably a 55-inch LED TV, plus a lot more storage down there. I'm going back to the artwork again. Oh, this is cool. All the Disney characters superimposed on there. Like the little wood lamps, those are cool. And again, this is a one bedroom at Disney Saratoga Springs. Oh, check this out. I just noticed this little hidden Mickey over here. Not sure what it says on the outside of that sticker. It looks like that's one of those, almost looks like one of those old stickers that you used to find in your house that has like a tot finder on there so the firemen know where the kids are. But again, one bedroom, Disney Saratoga Springs. What's nice is that Saratoga Springs is one of the least expensive Disney resorts as well. So lots of great options here. Fantastic location right by Disney Springs. So you can't really go wrong. Lots of nightlife activity, restaurants, entertainment. And it's a quick walk away, or you can take a boat over to Disney Springs as well. At the moment, due to COVID, the Disney boats are not running. But again, you're looking at probably a 5-minute walk from here. All right, so now I'm going to go over, I'm going to show you how you open up the bed. So, super simple. Just pull on the little lever. Out pops your Disney bed. And then you just move this table out of the way. And you're right back to where you started. Sorry, don't mind me. Understood. Good, how are you?